This chakra meditation is designed to guide you into alignment using the breath, visualization, and the healing wisdom of the chakras. Each chakra will be activated through color, Sanskrit name, breath cue, and a silent affirmation. Take your time and return to this meditation whenever you need to reset, realign, and remember your inner light. This meditation is brought to you by Lakshmi Hypnotherapy. Before we begin, please make sure you're in a safe, quiet place where you can relax completely. This meditation is not suitable while driving, caring for children, or operating machinery. Now, take a deep breath in and exhale gently. Allow your shoulders to soften and feel your body beginning to become still. Now gently close your eyes and imagine a soft golden light pouring from above your head, down your face, your neck, and shoulders, relaxing every part of you. With each breath, you sink deeper into stillness. You are safe and you are ready. And now we'll begin with the root chakra, Muladhara. This is situated at the base of your spine. See a glowing red light at the base of your spine, and inhale and exhale. Inhale grounding and exhale fear. Silently repeat, I am safe. I am grounded. I am supported. And now we move to the sacral chakra, Svadhisthana, located in your lower belly, just below your navel. Visualize a warm orange glow. Inhale and exhale. Inhale flow and exhale guilt. Silently repeat, I honor my emotions. I embrace my joy. And now we move to the solar plexus chakra, Manipura, which is located in your upper abdomen just above the navel. Visualize a golden sun in your upper abdomen and inhale and exhale. Inhale strength and exhale doubt. Silently repeat, I am confident. I trust myself. And now moving to the heart chakra, Anahata, which is situated in the center of your chest. Visualize soft green light in your heart center. Inhale and exhale. Inhale love and exhale heaviness. Silently repeat, I give and receive love with ease. We now move to the throat chakra, Vishuddha, which is located at the center of your throat. See a clear blue glow at your throat and inhale and exhale. Inhale truth and exhale suppression. Silently repeat, I speak with honesty and kindness. And now we move to the third eye chakra, Ajna. This is located between your eyebrows. Visualize indigo light between your eyebrows and inhale and exhale. Inhale insight and exhale mental clutter. Silently repeat, I trust my intuition. I see clearly. And now we move to the crown chakra, Sahasrara. This is situated above your head. See a soft violet-white lotus blooming above your head. Inhale and exhale. Inhale divine connection and exhale ego. Silently repeat, I am connected. I am light. And now visualize pure white light flowing from above your head down through every chakra, cleansing, balancing, anchoring you in peace. Allow this light to continue down through your legs, into your feet, and down into the earth. Inhale and exhale. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. And bring your hands now to your heart. Silently repeat, I am whole. I am aligned. I am home. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Om Shanti.